Hey treasure hunters, ready to uncover hidden gems and buried treasures? Today, we're diving into the best metal detectors of 2024 that will take your treasure hunts to the next level. From beginner-friendly picks to professional-grade detectors, we've got you covered. Let's see which one will help you strike gold. Let's kick things off with the SUNPOW OTMD14, a top-notch choice for those serious about metal detecting. This detector is packed with features like a 12-inch waterproof coil and advanced DSP chip for high accuracy. The 2x backlit LCD screen makes it super easy to read in any lighting, whether you're searching under the hot sun or late into the evening. Plus, the symmetrical handle design means a more comfortable grip, giving you that perfect balance between ease of use and professional results. But that's not all. This model offers 5 detection modes and a detection depth of 10 inches, helping you find everything from lost coins to hidden gold nuggets. It's designed for quick assembly with a sturdy spiral structure, making it both durable and easy to transport. With an adjustable length range from 19 to 59 inches, it's perfect for both adults and teens. And the IP68 waterproof rating? That means you can take it out to beaches, rivers, or even during light rain without missing a beat. Whether you're an experienced detectorist or just starting, the SUNPOW OTMD14 is a solid choice for all your treasure hunting adventures. Let's dig into the MIYAY metal detector, the perfect blend of nostalgia and modern tech for all your treasure hunting needs. Designed with a 10-inch waterproof search coil and a lightweight build, it's ideal for both beginners and seasoned detectorists. Whether you're reminiscing about childhood hunts or discovering a new hobby, this detector is built to reignite that adventurous spirit. What makes this one stand out? It's all about ease and precision. The featherweight design allows for hassle-free carrying, while the adjustable stem, 43.3 inches to 60.2 inches, means it's comfortable for adults and teens alike. Setting it up is a breeze. Seriously, even a 15-year-old can have it ready in under 10 minutes. And with its pinpoint target function, you'll know exactly where to dig, saving you time and effort. The intuitive LCD display provides real-time insights like target depth, metal type, and battery status, ensuring you're always in the know while out on the field. Plus, 8 sensitivity levels allow you to adapt to different terrains, making it great for beaches, campsites, or even your own backyard. With the MIYAY metal detector, you get a high-quality tool that's easy to use and highly accurate, all while keeping the excitement of treasure hunting alive. Perfect for anyone looking to turn a childhood dream into a year-round hobby. Meet the Z100 metal detector, a top pick for anyone ready to dive into the world of treasure hunting, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. This model is equipped with an upgraded DSP chip for precise and efficient detection, making it easier to find valuable targets like coins buried up to 10 inches deep. With 6 advanced modes, AM, disc, notch, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, you can customize your search and use the memory mode to focus on specific metal types, saving you time and effort. The 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil makes the Z100 versatile enough for exploring both land and shallow waters, allowing you to uncover hidden treasures even in damp conditions. Just remember, the control box isn't waterproof. Its adjustable length, from 27 to 56 inches, and 5 sensitivity levels ensure adaptability for various environments and user heights, making every treasure hunt a comfortable experience. But wait, there's more. The complete treasure hunting kit includes over-ear headphones, a military-grade shovel, a portable backpack, and even a belt holster for your pinpointer. It's got everything you need to embark on a successful treasure hunt right out of the box. If you're new to metal detecting or looking for a reliable companion for your treasure hunts, the PANCKY PK0075 is designed just for you. With 5 versatile modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpointer, you have the flexibility to target a wide range of metals and fine-tune your searches. Whether you're after ancient coins, jewelry, or hidden artifacts, this detector is ready to help you discover hidden wealth. The upgraded DSP chip is what sets the PANCKY apart, offering a 25% boost in detection speed, sensitivity, and accuracy. It can zero in on a quarter coin up to 10 inches deep, ensuring you won't miss any buried treasures. And with the intuitive LCD display with backlight, you can easily track your finds and navigate through settings, even on night hunts or low-light beach trips. The 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil is perfect for exploring both land and shallow water areas. While the control box itself isn't waterproof, the search coil's durability ensures you can wade into the mystery of creeks and rivers without worry. Plus, the silicone buttons add a touch of modern ease, making it simple to adjust settings with satisfying tactile feedback. Designed with comfort in mind, the PANCKY offers adjustable height from 47.3 inches to 55.2 inches, making it suitable for both adults and kids. It's lightweight at just 2.4 pounds, with an ergonomic armrest and anti-slip handle that make extended hunts more enjoyable. And finally, when it comes to advanced metal detecting with simplicity, the MINELAB X-TERRA Voyager is a top contender. This all-terrain detector is crafted to offer a professional-level experience while staying user-friendly, making it ideal for both seasoned hunters and those just starting their treasure hunting journey. Switch seamlessly between 4 detection modes designed for different targets, whether you're after coins, jewelry, or gold. Once you're closing in on a target, engage pinpoint mode to hone in with precision. The clear target ID with distinct audio and visual alerts ensures you know exactly what you're digging for, adding a whole new layer of excitement to each find. The large backlit display, 3 by 2.2 inches, keeps you informed, even in low-light conditions, while the intuitive controls allow you to focus on the thrill of discovery rather than fiddling with settings. With a lightweight and adjustable design, this detector is a joy to carry during those longer hunts. Plus, the waterproof IP68 coil lets you dive up to 3 feet deep, perfect for beachcombing and shallow water exploration.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.